Hi everyone, how's it going? Today's idiom of the day is to clear the air. To clear the air. So this idiom means to remove the bad feelings between people or to do something to end an argument or bad situation. For example, discuss a problem calmly. To clear the air переводится как разрядить ситуацию, выяснять отношения, либо прояснить какую-то ситуацию, либо объясниться. To clear the air идиомасы қандай да бір күрделі мәселенің немесе түсінбеушіліктің бетін ашып анықтап алу болып аударылады. For example, it's time to clear the air. And next one is?
Okay, after all we've been through, I just thought that maybe we should clear the air. And I don't know, be friends.
Friends?
And also you can use shed light on it or make it clear. Make it clear, shed light on it. And also clear the air. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps. Bye bye.